All right, I'm doing a original wire harness comparison with the American Autowire um, purchase that you can buy online. And this particular is for a 1968 Camaro for manual trans console. I'm sorry, without the console and with warning lights. It's just a base Camaro, no options. So this is the wiring drawing that comes with the kit, and then I will start comparing my original harness with the one that came. So the one on the right is the brand new one, and the one on the left is my original harness. And these kits are really great. The matchup, colors, wires, everything, even the positioning of the splits when you go to reinstall it in the car. So again, here's my original one, and here's the new one. So here's the right switch. Here's the parking brake light here. Here's the plug for the rear wire harness. Here's the plug for rear wire harness in the original. So even just taking the plugs and comparing them. Match up. And then the color of wires match up. And then as you go down further, so this one here is for the dash console and dash console. Okay, this one is for the headlights. And headlights. Here's for the steering column with all the blinkers and everything. Steering column. And for the wipers. And the wipers here. So that's the first split, and then the next split goes down, splits off here. So this one here is for the brake lights. And here we've got the brake lights here. The next one in that same little cluster is the reverse light that goes down to the tranny, and that's what this one here is for the reverse light. And as you go further down, I mean, it's cool. They even, when they do split it, I mean the tape, even tape it the same. So here's the original, and here's the new one. So they do a really good job at it. So this is the ignition. So you can see the color of the wires, even the quantity and locations all the same. I think this is the buzzer for the ignition, I believe. And here's right here, plug for it. And then here's the radio, which is the yellow. The radio, which is the yellow. And then here is the cigarette lighter, and cigarette lighter right here. And then further down you go, you've got what's this one? Oh, this is the light for all the vent controls. And then here, so the light for the vent controls here. And then the what's this one? Oh, here's the vent power, all the vent assembly. And then plug, there's the plug here. And then the light for the glove box. And then the light for the glove box here. So basically just take this wire out and then replace it here. And then on my car, I didn't know what this plug was. It wasn't used. And they still provide it here, even though it's not used on my car. But that one is actually for, looking at the store, for the blower motor resistor. But I didn't have one, so I don't know what that's for, but that is the basic rundown of the dash harness for a 1968 Camaro. And then I'll do more videos. I've got all the other wiring, the engine harness, the light harness, and the rear harness. I'll go and over and review too as well.